If you're new here, I'm actually moving across the country with my boyfriend and my best friend from Toronto to Vancouver. So right now I'm currently in Saskatchewan. Yesterday we drove through 3 provinces. We left from Ardene, Ontario, booked it through Manitoba, all the way to Regina, Saskatchewan, and yeah. Good morning. It's like 6 a.m. Today is our longest day and we really need to get on the road. I think we're driving for like 9 hours, not including stops. So I am wearing these wide leg pants and this plaid jacket from Ardene today, just so I could stay cozy in the car and stay warm, you know. I'll show you the window. Look at it. Oh, you can kind of see it. Aw, man, my seat's not readily available. How rude. So we're 2 kilometers away from the border right now. Manitoba! Is that it?
Yeah, welcome.
Way too small. I didn't even get that. Okay, I don't think that was 2 kilometers. But anyway, it's super snowy here, so hopefully the weather clears up a bit when we get to Saskatchewan, because there's some pretty cool places that we want to go see, and I kind of want to wear my summer clothes / spring clothes, so I'm just waiting for the snow to end. Quick update on the snow situation. It didn't really clear up at all. It kind of just got worse as we drove along, and it continued all the way into Saskatchewan, which actually made it really difficult to drive because the roads weren't plowed and we didn't have any snow tires on the truck, so we didn't really end up stopping much along the way, pretty much just for gas. Look how cute this van is. Are we stretching?
Yeah. I'm stretching my ankle.
He's being...
What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a quick review on these awesome new polarized shades I got. You know, prairies are a little bit bright. You got reflection of the sun, so you're getting light from the top and you're getting light from the bottom. And yeah, you know, these are going to be a big help out there on the track. And yeah.
We left the gas station around 2 p.m. and ended up driving about 5 hours until we hit some traffic. It was actually bumper to bumper for an hour, I want to say. There was like some sort of collision. So after it cleared up, it took us another 2 hours to get to Regina, and we ended up getting to the hotel around 10. Okay, we're in Saskatchewan right now, and this is the snow situation. Today was really hard, okay? Now I'm gonna go put my robe on.
Hey, yo, robes. Woo!
Day 5, we all woke up pretty late, especially me and Olivia, so Nick ended up getting breakfast in the meantime. He went to the cutest little place in downtown Regina. It was called Cafe Francis, I think, and the food was absolutely amazing. We all got pancakes to share, and we each got our own eggs Benedict on a croissant. So good. Hi there. Today is April 14th, I think. So we were actually supposed to be traveling to Banff today. However, we're taking a day to relax and like regroup. So yeah, but I'm gonna pick out my outfit. Ardene sent over this amazing suitcase filled with like super cute clothes. I'm probably gonna go with a pastel look today. I'm thinking like maybe this like really cute little fuzzy top. This. I really like the neckline on this. I love square necklines. I think they're just so flattering. Also, how cute is this? So yeah, I'm gonna go through these clothes, but I'll definitely show you my looks when I pick them out. So here's outfit number 1. I'm probably gonna wear this when I do some yoga later because my body is super sore from sitting in the car for like 13 hours. So kind of torn for my second outfit. Definitely gonna keep these jeans on because I love how they fit. They're like baggy. I hate when my legs feel constricted. I'm definitely a wide leg pants kind of girl. So baggy jeans is always it for me, but I'm torn between the top. I really like this like kind of monochrome look. I don't know how I feel about this. Underneath I might take it off, but let me show you my second choice from the top and I'll pick from there. Okay. Second top, I've got this cute little cropped, I want to say it's like a mohair top, and then I'm just gonna throw this sweater over. It's not matching, but it's the same fabric, so it kind of does match. I kind of like this better, I think. It feels more me in a way. I just like the cropped look with these jeans because they're so baggy. I feel like having like a little tighter top on accentuates the style of the jeans better, so I think this is it for today. Okay, thanks for watching my little style sesh. But later that day, Olivia ended up doing my makeup. Oh yeah, fun fact about Olivia, she's an amazing makeup artist, but we just pretty much wanted to have a chill, girly kind of day, so I got my makeup done, and then after that, we ended up going for a walk. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to Regina, the capital of Saskatchewan. It's really cold here. Regina means queen in Latin, and it's actually named after Queen Victoria. So this is the hotel we're staying at, Hotel Saskatchewan. It's a super cute boutique hotel and the inside is absolutely gorgeous. They still have like structures from when it was built, which is I think around the 1920s or so. Here is my Banff outfit for today. I've got these baggy jeans on again, this little cute white cardigan, and this little purple tank. Today we are heading to Alberta, so definitely subscribe to Ardene's channel if you want to follow me along on my journey. Don't forget you can shop my looks in the description below and use my code ROADTRIPPING for money off. See you then!